Step 3 says to edit the graph to increase readability. The first thing you need to do is make sure you include the city name and windward or leeward in the graph title. Here's the graph title. If you double-click the graph title, you can change the title text right here. You can go to Edit Chart, Customize, Chart Axis and Titles, and get in that way as well. Chart title. You can then change its location, color of text, size. It also says to include whether it is the windward or leeward side in the graph as well. I can include that in the chart title, or I can put that in the chart subtitle. B, move the precipitation bars to the right axis. Notice how the precipitation is measured with the left axis along with temperature. We're going to move these bars to the right axis. I can double click them, go to Series, or when you open up the chart editor, if you go to Customize Series, and the series that we want to change is not all of them, but just the rainfall. So notice I don't want to apply my changes to all of them. I want to apply my changes just to the rainfall. And I'm going to move the axis to the right. Now the rainfall is using the right axis, where the temperature is using the left axis. I don't need the temperature to start at 0. So I can change my minimum left axis to a more appropriate number. It says in order to compare the cities, be sure the vertical axes for both graphs match minimum and maximum values. It's difficult to compare these two graphs since the vertical axis on the left graph goes up to 0.8. If the vertical axis on the right goes to 5. So we need to match them. I'm going to change the vertical axis maximum to 5. Now we can compare the rainfall between the two. I need to do the same for the temperature. Here it goes 60 to 90. This also goes 60 to 90. Now these two graphs can be compared.